Hi, my name is Jay, and this is a demo video for Aegis AI, an autonomous brand protection platform. Counterfeit monitoring is usually manual and slow, and luxury brands suffer massive financial losses from counterfeiting, with direct loss to luxury industry at over 30 billion annually, and this is only expected to grow. Aegis AI solved this with a two-layer pipeline. Discovery finds suspicious candidates, then investigation validates and scores them. So this is the main interface of Aegis AI, and you'll see the overview of the analytical findings of Aegis AI here. And if you go down to this brand catalog tab, you'll be able to create a brand or view the brands that you have already made. So in order to create a brand, you put the brand name, official domains, suspicious keywords you want to focus on, aliases, and also price bands of products. For the sake of this demo, I'll be using Hermes for discovery. So once you've added a product, sorry, it will be able to view it in this discovery tab. And in order to run discovery, you select the agent runtime, and you can also override the default keywords and seed you have for this brand by inputting these fields. And you can leave it blank, and it will use default keywords and URLs. Also, you'll be able to select marketplace presets and select which marketplace you want to run, or else you could just run a default one by just leaving it blank. So I'll run it with everything blank. And so I just triggered the discovery run, and it creates an idempotent run job and starts an autonomous worker agents here. And these are the worker logs. You can see the Tinyfish execution starting and running the lifecycle updates and candidate investigation queue transitions. So the monitor is powered by the Tinyfish run reference and stream URLs. We track run status, attempts, and live browser events in one space. So I'll just wait until this run and investigation is done. So now that the discovery run is complete, we'll be able to view the findings of the discovery. So we'll click on this button over here, and it will show the relevant findings of that discovery run. And you'll be able to view the list of the findings it has generated. So I'll click on this one to see what it is, and you'll be able to see the details. So the investigations generated structured findings with risk scores as well as evidences that support it. So you can see that the agents has taken screenshots of it, and also the kind of signals, the traceability IDs, and also the evidence snippets. And it has even retrieved the WhatsApp number that has been found in this kind of a website. And for a website that it can retrieve bank accounts of that kind of a website, so we'll be able to retrieve it as well. And here's the score breakdown as well as the technical payload. So once we review this, we'll be able to mark it as reviewed and escalate it to a case. So we can either attach it to an existing case or create a new case. So for this, I will escalate it to a new case. And we'll be able to see it in this case tab over here. And you can see the different actions that have been taken, and teams and analysts will be able to comment on these, take notes on these, etc. So when we go to this case tab, we'll be able to see the different cases that have been risen and the statuses and the different priorities of the cases. So on top of this cases features, we plan to add more autonomous abilities of the agents, such as enforcing the website takedowns or reporting these cases. So this has been the demo video for Aegis AI. So in essence, Tinyfish is the browser automation engine underneath this workflow, and Aegis AI as orchestration, validation, scoring, and case-ready outputs. Thank you for listening.